Hi guys, welcome back to Tutorial Millennials channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to add an email account on your phone. So first, and then you go to accounts, and then you tap add account there. So after you tap account, it will directly take you here. So you can either tap or add a other and then you could tap cancel there, and then you just have to enter your, and then you just have to log in. So enter your email and then your password, and then that's it, and then tap next, and then that's it. Your email is connected to your iPhone. So I hope this video is useful, and thank you for watching.